So we begin brainstorming exercise of 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. So A is where you can just try to find the uses and health benefits of lemon. Check the net, there are many videos there, okay? Then make point-wise notes from the lesson regarding the use of big data in the following application. Do not write complete sentences. It's just a note making. Make point-wise notes. So you can make your own notes. The paragraph will be given. You can just write about location tracking used by Google Maps and GPS to identify and track the location of a place. Data about traffic conditions on a route. Can plan route according to travel time. Then companies reduce the risks in transport, improve speed, reliability in delivery, etc. Then in the healthcare industry, various apps, smartwatches, gadgets, etc. collect data about various functions of a body. Doctor can have a better diagnosis or effects of the drug. Past data mentioned. Then helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics, diseases. So it's in the healthcare part. Past records are, sorry, one second. It has to be, past records are, it's maintained. Okay, so helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics, diseases. In the education industry, get information about study pattern, then course materials designed to cater to all the students. Then students' choices available, strengths and weaknesses are gauged and the guidance available while choosing a career. Now when you are asked for personal details on social media, what precautions will you take? We here there are lots of advertisements today, social awareness. कि you should not share अपना ATP किसी को मत बताना, डेबिट कार्ड का जो पिन होता है वो किसी को मत बताना, डिटेल्स, पर्सनल डिटेल्स किसी को नहीं बताना है. So these are the precautions. Never reveal credit or debit card PIN number. Never give mobile or Aadhaar card numbers to any stranger. Keep all the social media accounts private. It's visible only to friends. Okay. Now, do you think all the data we receive is used for positive things? If no, make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. In this chapter हमने सिर्फ all the positive things ज़्यादा देखा है ना, लेकिन negative things भी बहुत हो सकते हैं data collect करने के बाद, वो misuse हो सकता है. So what are the negative things? You have to make a list of all the negative things. For example, loss of privacy. Everybody will know about you. Leaking of information. All the information taken will be leaked out. Misuse of personal information. People can take a printout of all your Aadhaar card and all and then change their name, open bank accounts, take money. Many things can be done. पूरा misuse हो सकता है. Data may fall into wrong hands. जो negative लोग हैं, जो they can loot you. They can take away all your money from the bank account and all if they get all the information. Now guess the meaning of the following idioms and phrases. Now, one size fits all means suitable for or used in all circumstances. The wrist watches have adjustable belts, so one size fits all. एक रिस्ट वॉच में बेल्ट है वो एडजस्टेबल होता है, सो एक साइज लेने से सब लोग पहन सकते हैं वो. ओके, नाउ हाँ, तो इसका आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन वन मोर एग्जाम्पल दे. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Okay, there is a smile on a face once in a blue moon means हमेशा वो मीन्स वो ज़्यादा स्माइल नहीं करती, बहुत कभी कभार स्माइल रहता है उसके चेहरे पर. वन मैन आर्मी. माई ब्रदर इज अ वन मैन आर्मी मीन्स ही थिंक्स ही कैन डू एवरीथिंग विदाउट हेल्प. किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं, वो अकेले खुद सब कुछ संभाल ले सकता है. वंस बिटन ट्वाइस शाय. यू नो, जैसे बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में कहावत है, दूध का जला छाछ भी फूंक फूंक कर पीता है. सो समथिंग लाइक दैट. माई फ्रेंड विल नॉट रिपीट द ब्लंडर. वंस बिटन ट्वाइस शाय. देन वन अप ऑन. So it means to have an advantage over someone. So my friend always tries to be one up on me. Okay, so I have also given some examples here. Now, do as directed. A. Advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data. So you have to begin the sentence with very few. That means biggest है ना, that is superlative degree. So we have to make it into comparative and positive. So advertisers are one of the biggest. They are not the biggest. Okay. So one of the means you must start with very few. So very few players in big data are as big as advertisers. Use bigger than. You can start like this only then. Advertisers are bigger than many other players in big data. Okay. Now second example. No other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. So here as good as is there. That means we need to put best and better than. See, the best and better than. So no other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. यानी जो बिग डेटा के हेल्प से जो डायग्नोसिस करते हैं वो सबसे अच्छा है, सबसे बेस्ट है. सो व्हेन यू राइट बेस्ट यू शुड से द डायग्नोसिस डन. पूरा कॉपी कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. द डायग्नोसिस डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ बिग डेटा इज द बेस्ट डायग्नोसिस. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू राइट बेटर देन, the diagnosis done with the help of big data is better than any other diagnosis. Okay, so जैसे no other आया तो यहाँ पे any other है इसका. These internet giants provide the greatest data about people. अभी greatest में you have to make it in two forms. As great as and greater than. Okay. So begin the sentence with no other. So no other means you're going to make it into a positive sentence now. No other networking services provide data about people as great as the internet giants. These internet giants provide provide data. You can say about people also here. So these internet giants provide greater data about people than, can put here about people. I think I've written these lines again at the back. Than any other networking services. Okay. Now see, and as well as. New insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. New sites have enabled the banks as well as finance companies. So दोनों का मतलब एक ही होता है, and भी लिख सकते हैं, as well as भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. So when one of them is inserted, other should be removed. And इसके साथ ये दोनों नहीं हो सकता है, ये दोनों में से एक ही हो सकता है, as well as या फिर and. Okay. तो and होगा या as well as. Use as well as, either or. Whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. So you have to remove and, you can put whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored as well as analyzed. I hope it's clear. Big data has been useful in and tracking the exact location of a place. Big data has been useful in identifying as well as tracking the exact location of a place. Weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. Weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather as well as help in weather forecasting. दोनों में से एक ही लिखना है. So they will say replace, no, use as well as. तो and हटाना है, उसकी जगह पर as well as लगाना है. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics as well as diseases. New insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. New insights have enabled the banks as well as finance companies to come up with suitable plans. And अगर either or लिखना है तो new sites have enabled either the banks or finance companies. तो ये इधर आ जाता है and this इसके जगह पे ये आएगा या फिर ये दोनों आएगा. This will come here. Now there is interview the students of your class regarding the career they would like to pursue and the reason for selecting that particular career. Collect the data of your class and analyze the information you have collected. So I have written some interview questions. How do we start interview questions? We have done this last year. So it's like, hi Sunny, I would like to ask you a few questions regarding. You can always start all your questions like this if you want, okay? Regarding के बाद ये copy करना है यहाँ से question में जो है. See, 1 minute. Regarding यहाँ से है ना question में. Regarding the career, अभी दे नहीं आएगा क्योंकि you are asking a question to somebody. So replace, दे के जगह पर you लिखना है. So I would like to ask you a few questions regarding the career you would like to pursue and the reason for selecting that particular career. यहाँ तक ditto you can copy from your question. Okay, यहाँ पर full stop. Are you ready? Question mark. Thanks या thank you. Then questions को कोई भी पूछ सकता है. मैंने बस examples के लिए कुछ 9 questions डाल दिए. Which are your favorite subjects? Have you decided on the career you would like to pursue? Why this career? Means why did you select this career? I made it short, okay? Exams to be cleared means which exams you have to clear to pursue this career. What are the job opportunities? What are the chances of travel? You know, traveling abroad, traveling in India. What is the salary structure? Is your family happy? Then thanks, Rohan. I have gained a lot from you. I have learnt a lot from you. Bye. Okay. So this is some interview questions. Now. So to listen well is as powerful a means of influence as to talk well and is essential to all true conversations. So group discussion. Social media is a curse or boon. Women empowerment and equality. Climate change. We will do all this when once the portion is over. Then we can have more online classes. Okay. Now the same sentences I have written down, the sentences which are there here. Okay. यहाँ पे as well as किया था ना अभी, either और मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ. So whatever activity we do online is either recorded, monitored or analyzed. Big data has been useful in either identifying or tracking. Weather sensors and satellites help us to either understand the weather or help us in weather forecasting. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreak of either epidemics or diseases. Please compare this with the sentences up, you will get an idea. New insights have enabled either the banks or finance companies to come up with suitable plans. Okay. So I think that's the end of this particular chapter. Please go through. If there's any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.